A very good afternoon, Team Zimbabwe. Maswera say. So I am back so that we talk about important matters happening in the nation of Zimbabwe. Remember, these people are afraid of the Blue Movement, which is about to be launched. We saw Team Ostalos and Chibaya in Manicaland. We saw them in Harare. We saw them in Midlands. We saw them in Bulawayo. They are moving across Zimbabwe, consulting with Nelson Chamisa's supporters, talking to them, informing them the position of President Chamisa, and then hear the position of the citizens and supporters. But there are some people who have now deployed some propagandists to try and stop that team. Why? It's because they are scared of President Nelson Chamisa's team. It's because they are scared and they know for sure that this team is serious, and they never thought kuti people will come out, even in the absence of Nelson Chamisa. They never thought that people would come out. They thought they've buried Team Triple C, and when Nelson Chamisa left, then they were exposed. So I want to show you this. This is very important. Just said, how do we divert attention from giving ZANU-PF majority in parliament, subverting the will of the people, and our sins for working with ZANU-PF? Okay, let's say Ostalos and Chibaya stole money. This is now the news. I talked earlier about the accusations which you are going to see on Nelson Chamisa. It's either they will put money in those accusations or they will put sex in those accusations. Those are the two avenues they are going to pursue. So they have started with the team which Nelson Chamisa deployed across the provinces. That is Ostalos and Chibaya. They have seen that these guys have the capacity tenacity, people rally and throwing stones. It's Charlton Wende. It's some other guys who have been hired. Ipapa, Varupotsera Matombo, all over. One other accusation is Chamisa. The major question is, if they are not sent by Nelson Chamisa, how is it that the structures of Nelson Chamisa's supporters are flocking to these meetings? How? How are they managing to make the information flow? Because remember, Advocate Nelson Chamisa does have his point people in each and every village, in each and every street. Vachamisa pachavo as an individual. Vane munhu wavo ari mu street yega yega, mu village yega yega. Across Zimbabwe, vachamisa vane munhu ari mu village yega yega. Vane munhu ari mu street yega yega. What it means is, everywhere his team is going, these people will tell people, we have a meeting pakat, let's attend that meeting. President varikutuma vanhu vavo. And everyone will attend. Where say appear that invitation will attend. So ndosaka vari kurwadziwa vanhu. They do not know that Nelson Chamisa is more sophisticated than they thought. They thought kuti Nelson Chamisa is a simple guy, a soft guy. They thought kuti their proximity with him will make them know him. Instead of learning Nelson Chamisa, they were busy scheming on how to destroy him. They thought they know him. They thought they know everything about him. But they were wrong. Twese tuchimhanya kuuya kuzoattack. The major question is, why are they attacking? It's because vanhu ava vafoira strategy yavo. Vafoira strategy yavo. We talked the times without numbers kuti ma-agents akapiwa mari. Right on this platform, we talked about it. We talked about it. And for sure they were given their money. But munonamba mlingodzwa mari yakabiwa, mari yakabiwa. Mari yakabiwa, mari yakabiwa. Yaimbori mari yacho. Yaiva mari. Mari yamuri kutaura nezvayo. How many agents did we have? How much were they supposed to get? Imwe mari yamuri kuda yamakaisa imimi vana hopo chimwono nana Charlton, makaisa mari yamakaisa imimi, makaisa mari. You were part of the rigging mechanisms dzese dzaiitwa, propaganda dzese dzaitumirwa, false information dzamaitumira kuvanhu, and you made a lot of people not vote in the just ended election because that was your agenda. Right now, you are trying to distract people and stop people from joining Advocate Nelson Chamisa so as to try and send a message yekuti hani muri kuzviona takagara tazvitaura vanhu varamba Chamisa. That was the message yekumaNicaland. But maona kuti Harare, maNicaland yakabvuma, Harare yakabvuma, Gweru yakabvuma, we go to Chirumanzu yakabvuma, we go to Bulawayo yakabvuma, and other provinces dzese vari kufamba vanhu vachibvuma. And you are now trying to shed so that you send a different. They will never talk about anything else, but they will continue to fight individuals. Under the CCC which Nelson Chamisa left, why not practice democracy there? Why not practice institutional politics versus individual politics there? Kwane 2 weeks, triple C na president. But the team inongorinanga Chamisa every day, inongorinanga Chamisa this, Chamisa that, Chamisa this, Chamisa that, Chamisa this, Chamisa that. Why? Team Zimbabwe, we have a lot to focus on. But Mbokoids, they will continue each and every day to try and pin every blame on Advocate Nelson Chamisa in this team. It's because they're afraid. Nambono vamwe vachaitofungawo kuti vanhu vakaita maindependence. Now vakuuya vachiburitsa matrue colors avo. Hey, we are not being consulted, we are not being told what is happening. You have your provinces. Why are you not going kuma consultation meetings ari kuitwa kuma province kwenyu and raise such issues? Every issue awinayo, but you come here on Twitter. Zuro ndizuro ndimi maiburitsa mafoto, hey tatina Chamisa, takasangana Chamisa. Isa hamsati mambo tiona tichiburitsa maphotos tichiti takasangana President Chamisa, because there is no need for us to do that. There is no need for us to say to tell the people takasangana Chamisa so that they believe us. There is no need for us to run around tichiti takasangana nemukomana for the people to believe us. We need to stick to our stories. We need to stick to our duties and our portfolios. That is that. But ndimi maimhanya muchititaira tisu muchitiradza on mapictures. Pause. Imimi, you went against the position. And you thought you were popular more than him. Now that you have lost the election and akusina munhu achiri nebasa nemi achiri nehanya nemi, because you went against his wishes. You went against his directives. Now ndopama kumhanya vari kutisiya panze, vari kutidai, vari kutidai. You are simply individuals. You don't have anything. Chokuti hanzi tingatoti kana takutarisai tinototya. So Team Zimbabwe, here's my message. There is a lot which is going on. You hear stories about and stories after stories. You hear stories after stories. But what should we do? Let us focus on supporting President Nelson Chamisa, because change is coming. And change is actually following us. Change is actually after us. But these idiots, they are hell-bent to make sure that they destroy us. Let us remain committed, let us remain united, and let us continue to support President Nelson Chamisa.